Ooh. So we're in the truck right now, right? And Dad had the dumb idea to go up this mountain, the mountain that we go, or hill that we go sledding on. We're gonna try and go up it, and then Shane said we might try to go down it too.
And guess what? Yeah, that's easy.
Shane, it's really not about what's easy, it's about what's scary.
And it says no trespassing, violators will be prostituted.
Yeah, we're breaking the law right now. I'm so scared.
Oh boy.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't
Send
even
it.
playing, got a really
No.
bad habit.
Go,
If
go,
Oh my
I
God.
lose,
go.
gotta grab
Oh my God,
it.
oh my God, oh my
Fuse
God.
like a magnet.
Yes, Dad.
Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
Come on.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If
Dad,
you work 8
no.
hours, I'ma
Commit
work
to the
9.
bit.
If the shoot tastes
No, you
sour,
have
you
to
should
do it.
taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a
Can they
long
go up that?
time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter.
Come on, it's technically the same
I'm
thing.
a really big hitter. Big
Dad, we're breaking the law right now.
to the highest.
So you better do it.
Got juice, got
that
gas,
red
I'ma
bull
move
signs
fast.
have always
New
been on
shoes,
top.
new tracks,
No.
like who's that?
Yeah?
I'm
No.
new, come
Shane,
back,
none
better
of the
than
signs have been up
last year.
there.
It's a new me, never gonna look
You
back.
haven't?
No.
Never gonna look back. 'Cause damn, I was built to last.
Someone must have bought
You
through the
move slow
land.
when I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. 'Cause that's what it
Remember what you
takes.
learned about private property? Hunter said.
Daddy, just book it.
Here, go as fast as you can right here. Oh.
Shots to the top, I'll get it. I got
Go as fast as you can right here, Dad.
all the winning. I do what's right, pushing till I fall. I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head, not heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart, picking up all
That was a
the
waste of
pieces
time.
I'm apart. Never gonna look back.
Yeah, look at it.
Going through one little mud puddle.
Look, signs everywhere. Look.
So wait,
Private property. Private
we
property.
can't go sledding there anymore. We're gonna have to find a different spot. Which I guess that's good because it leads to more curiosity. Yeah. There's a big city over there. Not really a big city, office. It's in a city called Meridian.
It's a business complex.
In a city.
Hey, it says right there as well.
They by the road too? Wait, no, I have something that we can go do. Go over there.
You guys hear that?
Hold on. I have something that we can do.
What can we do, Sean?
Guys, there's chickens right there.